Calgary has seen hundreds of layoffs and tighter budgets over the past year, so hosting an event such as the Junos is an amazing opportunity for the city. Mayor Naheed Nenshi has dubbed 2016 the Year of Music in Calgary. For the past week, Canadian artists have taken over the city, performing anywhere from the C Train to venues like Flame Central.
This week is actually coinciding with the National Music Center's grand opening. Parts of it are already open, but this week is officially all of its opening. And so Nenshi is very much about the arts and culture, so he's trying to really promote Canadian and Calgary artists. So this is the first time that they're really pushing the Juno events to really showcase our Canadian talent.
The Glenbow Museum is bringing a whole new edge to the Junos with an interactive tour of Canadian art. The pieces were hand-selected by past and current Juno nominees from the Glenbow's Hidden Art Collection. This is just one example of the hundreds of venues piggybacking off the Juno hype.
It's a matter of all the support network that goes into it. You have hospitality, so you've got food, you've got hotel rooms, you've got the technical side. This city has a massive talent pool of freelance technicians in lighting and sound and video. All of those people are working to the max this weekend. All of that pools into the economy, gives everybody work.
Crews have been working all week to set up a stage worthy of hosting world-class artists. Come Sunday night, the Saddledome will have completely transformed with an LED screen standing 38 feet tall and over 1,100 light fixtures illuminating inside the arena. The show is sold out, but don't worry, you can still catch performers around the city by heading to junooawards.ca. For St. Newsfile, I'm Jessica Scott.